Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you all a heads up. Early in the day I released release candidate 4 of Trio version 1. And release candidate 4 addresses an issue that involved garbage collection and specifically the failure of garbage collection to clean up blog article pages when you've changed the category in the article page's associated template. It's fragment. Yeah, it's fragment. So I can show you exactly what I mean and how it should be working and how it is working now. So I just switched scenes to Visual Studio Code. And here's a fragment. It's one of 6 fragments for 6 articles in the blog articles folder. And it, there's for each article, for all the articles shared basically one of 2 categories. So Article 1 is Category 1, Article 2 is Category 2, Article 3 is Category 1, Article 4 is Category 2, and so on and so on. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 regarding the categories. So just to show you, like here, Category 2, Category 2, Category 2. This is Category 1, and this is Category 1. But specifically, now I'm running in interactive mode, in incremental build mode here, and I want to move the Explorer window here so that you can see the public folder, specifically the 2 category folders in the blog folder of public. And specifically, in Category 1 folder, we see that this is the article that was generated in relation to this fragment. So we can see that Category 1 here represents Category 1 here. So if I change this now, okay, I'm going to change the 1 to a 2, and what we should see is this disappearing from the 2019 folder, from the Category 1 parent folder to the Category 2 parent folder of blog. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to replace 1 with 2. Whoops. I need to do that. Replace with 2. And we see it's disappeared from Category 1 and it is now in Category 2. Now if I undo that, we should see it reappear in Category 1 and disappear from Category 2. And it has. So yeah, that's a cool thing. Garbage collection is an important part of incremental building because every change we make to our project should accurately be represented in the target folder, which for regular builds is public. So yeah, so this is like my 4th release candidate for version 1, and I'm ramping up to the full release of version 1 proper. But there are a couple of more things that are going to be that you will see, some nice little additions. So only for all those of you who are currently watching and viewing this video, I'm going to let you know a little secret. Right now, there's no option to build to scaffold a project when you create a new project. So actually, that is what this project is all about right now. That I'm building out now to generate a scaffolding that will actually be incorporated in Trio so that when you select to from the command line to create a new project, you can select as an option to scaffold a basic project along with just a bare, instead of just a bare project structure, a bare bones project structure with empty, basically mostly empty folders. You'll actually have a project that, when it's created, will and you compile it, will actually have content. So that's what should be coming in the next release candidate, unless there's any bugs that I need to address prior to that. I'm hoping to get this out on the next release candidate. If not, maybe the one after that. So I want to thank you all for watching this, and I hope you, if you're using Trio, I hope you're enjoying it. But I'd love to hear from you either way. If you have any comments about Trio, negative, positive, I'd love to hear them all. I think negative comments are great because it might turn me on to some things that I need to address. And my goal is to make Trio something that everybody wants to use, because I think that Trio is just awesome, and I think it's a great tool to be using to create websites. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving it a thumbs up. And stay tuned. There's more videos to come. Bye.